baking soda in the test tube. Now I add a methyl orange to the baking soda. Now see the color of baking soda. It turns orange in color. Now I take another test tube of baking soda. Now I add phenolphthalein. Well, laughing. It changes pink color. It means the baking soda contains basic in nature.
My name is Anashita. I am studying 7th class. Now I take a small amount of detergent solution. Now add few drops of methyl orange. Its colors will be changed into orange color.
Start.
Now I take a small amount of detergent solution in another test tube. Now we add few drops of phenolphthalein. Now color is the change into pink. The detergent basic in nature.
Start.
Now I take a small quantity of lemon juice and add in phenolphthalein indicator. The color of lemon juice is do not change to any color. Now I take a small amount of lemon juice and add a methyl orange indicator. The color of lemon changes into red color. Red means acidic in nature.